Hi, today we've made a new update available for Adobe Presenter, and I wanted to talk to you about the new exciting enhancements we've done for the video creator. But before I get into that, let me talk to you about how you will get these updates. It's pretty simple. Open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Adobe Presenter ribbon. Under Help, you will find an option named Updates. When you click that, you will get the Adobe Updates application, and from there you have to select Adobe Presenter and update it. I have already done that, so it won't be available for me in these updates. So I will just close it out. You can just easily follow the steps and update Presenter to 8.0.1 version. If for some reason you do not see this updates option, just do some action in Presenter file and it will allow you to see this option here. So for me, the simplest action that I can do here is click on package, and I will just click cancel. And once I do that, I will find this option updates available here for me in help. Now let's look at the enhancements we've done in Adobe Presenter Video Creator in this new update. This is the record mode for Adobe Presenter Video Creator. Let me press the record button to show you the enhancements that we've made. So I'll hit record, and you will see the counter 3, 2, 1. Along with that, you will find the instructions on how to end the recording and pause the recording. Now let's do a short recording here. I will just go to the design tab and add a theme here. And after that, I will go to Adobe Presenter, add a character here who will be taking me through the story that I'm telling in my tutorial. Okay. Now for some reason, I need to pause the recording and do some edits before I capture the rest of the screen. What I can do is I can press the pause key in my keyboard, or I can go to the tray and right click the Adobe Presenter Video Creator button, and from there I will get two options. One is to pause recording and one is to end recording. When I click pause recording, it pauses the recording for me and brings me back in the pause mode, where you can see the rest of the applications, and even you can see the video creator area. And here, to make it very evident that you are in the pause mode, you will find a big pause button on the center of the screen that you have. Here you have two options to proceed. One is to click the record button and continue recording your video, or you can click the edit button if you feel that your recording is over and now you would like to proceed editing the video. For me, the video is not yet over. I have to do some additional recording. So I will hit record here, and that will bring me back to the same application, giving me the counter, and now I can proceed with the recording. So let's add some maybe a scene here. So I will go and click scene, and I will add some office scene here. So I will just resize it here and place it towards the right to maybe work on it and show some of the things that I want to in this. So I'm done with the recording, and like we used to do in the original version, I will press Shift End on my keyboard, or I will go and click the Adobe Presenter Video Creator button. So when I click that, it brings me to the edit mode, and then I can continue editing the video. Okay. Now the best thing that I see here in edit mode now is the audio waveform that is indicating where I was speaking and which were the areas where I was silent. So if I have to edit out some area or trim it, it's very easy for me to identify that this is the safe area for me to edit out, because I'm not speaking anything. You can verify it by playing, but you do not have to, so I'm done. Continue doing it to find the correct spot to trim it out. You can easily click the trim button and you can say set in point, and then you can find another area, set out point, and confirm that this area has to be deleted. So it's very easy to do that, and it makes things simpler when you can see the audio wave form on the timeline. Also, there's one more interesting thing here. So when you add pan and zoom, let me just change the layout here so that we can see some screen. So when I have this screen here, I can easily go and pan to some area where I want to. Okay. But after doing panning, if I feel that this is not the right thing that I wanted to do, I can easily go and either press delete on my keyboard, which we used to be able to do previously as well. But now we have this new button below the pan and zoom. So when you do that, that pan or zoom goes away. So it's very easy to go to any pan and zoom that you've added, and you can easily come and delete it from here if you want to remove it from your video. Okay, now let me show you one more thing. What you can do is if you are editing, like suppose I'm going and adding this particular layout, but then suddenly I realize that I did a mistake. I can easily go and press Ctrl Z or Command Z on my keyboard, and that change will be reverted. So this is a single step undo. You cannot do it multiple times. It's a single step undo to revert changes that you have done to your layouts, to trimming, to pan and zoom. Okay, so I can do the same for redoing it. So if I want to redo what I have already deleted, I can again press Ctrl Z. It's a toggle button for you. So press Ctrl Z to undo changes and again Ctrl Z to redo changes. But it will take only one change at a time. There's another very exciting enhancement that we've done in Video Creator, is that for publishing, we have provided a direct option to upload to Vimeo along with the other options. So previously you would have seen these 4 options which were published to computer, PowerPoint, YouTube and Adobe Connect, but now we have the Vimeo option as well. So once you click that, it will start publishing to Vimeo. It will ask for your credentials, and then after publish, it will allow you to share it on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have all the more reasons to use Adobe Presenter Video Creator for creating cool tutorials.